Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing some analysis and showing you guys what I'm looking for today. And in today's market edition we've got GBP JPY. That is the pair that I'm going to be analyzing and showing you guys what I'm looking for, some price levels, points of interest, and all of that. And let me know what you think in the comment section. So let's get started. So starting off on a daily chart, you can see that previous days we swept out this low and dropping down to a 4-hour time frame. You can see that price broke above this high, confirming a strong momentum to the upside. And on an hourly time frame it was much clearer. So after we made this structure shift, breaking above these highs, we then retraced it back into this fair value gap, and this occurred in London and made a continuation higher. So, and there was a beautiful entry inside this area. So dropping down to a 5-minute. So like I said in the last video, my entry is like this. When we retrace back into an order block or a fair value gap, I usually wait for a structure shift, retracement back, and a break of structure. And when we break above this high, that is when I enter. So looking at this price, my entry was after breaking this and my stop loss was here, targeting 2 hours. And you can see that this was a beautiful entry. So what we are looking at today is going back to a daily. After sweeping out this low, we retraced it back into this fair value gap, and this is where a lot of people get caught. So just because we are trading inside that fair value gap doesn't mean that the price is willing to go lower. So dropping down to a 4, you can see that there is no structure shift downside. So basically that fair value gap is not holding. And on an hourly time frame also, there is nothing that confirms a strong momentum to the downside. So this price tag is the one that is trusted back inside the fair value gap, and if we were to consider some short positions, we will wait for a break of this low or either a sweep of this high and a structure shift to go down, and you can see that there is none between these two. And what we did, we sweep out this low and also swept out Asia's low. So I'm waiting for, let me drop down to a 5-minute. I'm waiting for one of two things: a sweep of this low, a structure shift of any recent high that will be created, a retracement, and a break of structure, and my entry will be there formed. and my stop loss will be below that low that it traced back into the zone, targeting 2 hours. Or another scenario that I can consider an entry is if price also breaks above this high and make a retracement back in the breakout structure, there also I will consider some long positions, targeting 2 hours. And also this one, this high right here, I would be looking at it because this is also a sensitive area. I will be looking at what price does when it reaches to this area. So let me know what you think in the comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be making a lot of videos like this. So thanks, and see you in the next video.